So the title is unfortunately not clickbait. I sold my Apple Vision Pro and it's gone forever. I bought this headset in February of 2024 and I'd actually consider it my favorite piece of tech currently available, but there are some deal breakers that make it hard for me to keep currently. I would usually use the Vision Pro for watching movies, using my Windows PC through Moonlight, and sometimes editing my videos in DaVinci Resolve. It did all of these things well thanks to the powerful chip inside of it and the great UI that allowed for multitasking and placing windows where I want them. Honestly, I do kinda miss being able to put the headset on to get some work done without having to deal with distractions around me. But the biggest issue I had was the weight. I'd say I'm pretty susceptible to headaches even if there's just some pressure put on my forehead over a long period of time. The Vision Pro weighs 650 grams, so obviously it never took long before it started to cause headaches for me. There were some rare times that I could deal with the pain and use it for around 6 hours while plugged in, but they were very rare. I bought the Anapro strap, globular cluster, and got to try out one that was sent to me, and while these somewhat worked well and felt nice, it quickly became clear that the headaches were inescapable no matter what head strap I chose. In addition to this issue, I had gotten a 256GB model, which was too small of storage for my video editing, media hoarding, and app downloads. Finally, there weren't too many new experiences to check out on the headset that interested me. I'm not a sports guy at all, so live sports things that Apple seems to be doing doesn't really mean much to me. Because of these three reasons, I sold my Apple Vision Pro, which is a shame since I still love mostly everything about it, like the environments, ease of use, and the displays. My current plan is to stick with the Big Screen Beyond 2 when that arrives in December, and then hopefully get the Vision Air, whenever or if ever that comes out. Let me know what you think in the comments. Thanks for watching, I hope you enjoyed, and take care.